Are you debating whether to weld or bolt a steel structure? Today I will end this debate for you once and for all. Welded steel structure, integrated structure, continuous force transmission, higher static load strength, no risk of loosening. Long-term stability, suitable for permanent buildings. Bolted connection, removable, convenient for later adjustment or maintenance, no thermal deformation. Suitable for precision components. Select welding, the pursuit of ultimate strength. Suitable for heavy plants, bridges, and other permanent structures. Sealing requirements are high. The selection of bolts need to be flexible, low cost, suitable for temporary buildings, demountable houses. The conclusion is there is no absolute optimal, only the most suitable.